The Nike Air Max Dn8 delivers a fresh blend of modern sport style, comfort, and innovation, designed for today's lifestyle. This pair arrives in a light old wood brown, moon particle, volt ice, and black colorway that feels clean, balanced, and easy to wear. Soft beige tones dominate the upper, creating a calm and versatile look that pairs naturally with everyday streetwear. Bright volt ice accents add energy to the design, most notably on the visible air unit, making the technology a key visual highlight. The midsole construction puts performance and style at the center, while the black outsole finishes the shoe with a sleek and grounded feel. A breathable mesh upper enhances airflow and comfort while giving the silhouette a refined, layered appearance. Sharp black swoosh branding, flowing stitch lines, and asymmetrical details add an urban edge. Building on the Air Max legacy that began in 1987, the Dn8 continues Nike's tradition of innovation with a modern, lifestyle-focused design.